This is the last.
My titties purple, they plastic. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss you guys. I know it's just been a couple of days, but today, as you guys can see, we are going to do a Hermes unboxing. Of course, it's a bag. It's a quarter bag. Could you guys tell me what you think it could be? Could it be a Kelly, Birkin, Constance? What do you think it is? However, as you guys can see by the title of this video, it's very hard to come by color. I myself, as I say, I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys today, and today we're gonna do a bit different. Usually I would do unboxing on my Instagram. I would, post it on my Instagram and before I take it to YouTube, but I decided for you guys, just to get a little twist and be a little different, I am going to attempt to do a unboxing. So obviously I've seen it in store, I know what I got, and the first fresh unboxing would be in front of you guys today for the first time to see how that goes. And we're having a little issues with our Instagram at the moment, but don't worry, we'll be up and running shortly. Yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna have the unboxing shortly and then followed by a little story time, because I just want to put it out there that my motto of see it, say it, obtain it is real. I mean, despite of how things are going for me these days, is like kind of bittersweet because I do have some negative vibes and negative things going on, followed by a lot of positivity. So there's a lot of mixed emotions in my life right now, but you know what, it's all part of life and we're just gonna have to deal with it. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. For those of you passing by for the first time, my name is Kristen Moore, and here on this channel we discuss everything to do with luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. If this is something that you like, come on, jump on board, subscribe, comment, like, share this video, and join the a-luxer family, because it's all about luxury. It's all about lifestyle, and it's all about what we love. And of course, coming from my perspective, you guys would definitely love to get that gist. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. How I went about getting this item. So obviously, of course, as you guys know, everybody know how the Hermes system works. I had the opportunity to put on a wish list, and I requested this item. I didn't specify this time. I did not specify color, shade, nothing in this specific color. As per usual, I would say an umbrella color. And if you guys want to try that and apply it that way, then I think that will be something moving forward for some of you that probably have tried scoring something and not being too specific. I think that is something that works for me. But I'm going to do my Hermes experience video shortly, so definitely look out for that video where I will be explaining and giving tips on how to score a Birkin. But for now today, this video is about the unboxing of this beauty. So I went in, I made my wish, and once I made my wish, it literally took 3 months for my wish to come back. So it didn't take the 8 months that it would usually take. It took 3 months this time. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes it takes shorter. For some reason, it took 3 months this time. However, I also want to say, this is really crazy because I checked out this YouTuber named Vivian Connolly, and she was kind of saying the same things I was always saying on my own channel, which it was really oh wow, it was really a great refreshing moment to actually see another YouTuber also saying the same thing. Believe in yourself, believe in your journey, say it, see it, obtain it, just have your own little journey. So it was really a good moment to see that. Also my homegirl Jacita, we've always talked about saying, believing in everybody having their own journey in Hermes and stuff like that. So it was quite really, amazing to see the positive vibe that was going on. And then it happened. I got my email confirming, hey, we have a wish for you. Would you like to come in? For some reason, they give me shorter time because I know most likely this color is the most wanted color. So they didn't give me the usual 5 days that they would usually give. So I was kind of okay, well, we need to sort this out. So I'm gonna stick a pin on the story time and get back to you guys about it. So let's get into the unboxing. Here we got the box. I got a little Hermes newspaper, the Daily Knot. It's kind of old school, and for some reason I was kind of shocked why I got this, because for some reason it says fall winter 21. Anyways, it's spring summer, so I was expecting that. Of course, they gave some samples as per usual. Gonna definitely smell these out. So got some little samples. Definitely gonna try those and see what they smell. And sometimes with my samples, guys, what I usually do, like sometimes in my closet or whatever, I would just spray it just to get that Hermes store smell. I know I could be crazy, right? And guys, the most amazing thing as well, this is my first, I should say, actually no, this is my first purchase for 2022. And also I know I did say that I'm done after my Birkin 30 in touch. For those of you that haven't seen that amazing video and that amazing piece that I've managed to score from Hermes in my Birkin Touch 30 in the color noir and black, I will list the video here so you guys could have a look at that unboxing as well. I know I said I'm probably done for 2022, but 2022 is just full of surprises and disappointments. However, the biggest surprise and the best part so far of my 2022, this is my first purchase. Most likely maybe my last purchase, I don't know, I'm not gonna put that out there, never know, but this is definitely my first purchase for 2022, and I am super duper excited. And also I can't wait to unbox it for you guys. So here you guys can see, let's do the ribbon. Yes honey, she is coming. Oh, let's do the cover for you guys. Ooh. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm trying my best to do how they do it. Yeah, we are getting there. Right, so as you guys can see, most of you might already kind of have an idea what it is. I'm not so good at this. So here's the bag. Obviously, you know, of course, we get our raincoat, we get our little booklet, and I'm gonna lay this box here. Yep, and then we have here the baby. So with no further ado, I am going to reveal her. She is, I said she, so that kind of gives it away already. She is a beauty, she is a baby. I am so happy with her. I am super duper duper happy, and I cannot wait to reveal her to you guys. Dun, ta, da, dun. Oh my god. Baby, she is giving what she's supposed to give. Yes. Yes, ma'am. And I am super duper excited with her. She is the Birkin. So it is Clemence leather. So it is the Tutorial Clemence in the color X9 Mauve Sylvestre. Yep. So I really, so it's my first Togo Clemence. Yeah, I am super shy. It's, I could definitely tell the difference from Togo straight away. It's really like, I think the skins are a bit thicker, but the color is amazing. And with the silver hardware, I mean, look at her. Let's get it to zoom. Look at her. She is giving everything she's supposed to give. This color is one of the top colors in the pink shades. I know the pink shades is quite crazy. It's either Rose Sakura, Mauve Sylvestre, and all the other colors is quite crazy, like pinks or the crazy, and it's every girl's dream. Now, let's get into it. Story time. I don't know if some of you guys, my regular YouTubers, would probably know about this. I had a pink Birkin. I think I was saying something to the extent of I would love to have a pink back, but I know it's really hard to. Just bringing back all the pinks and staying. It's like, should I actually have gotten rid of it? Because now it's like, oh, I should have never gotten rid of it. So for me personally, but here it is. Here it is. See it? See it, say it, obtain it. Here she is. And I have her. I am super duper excited. So I'm going to go ahead and open her. There. Of course, she has her clochette and lock, because she has her little clochette and lock. I hope it's zooming. If it's not, so she has her little clochette and lock moment. I love, 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 love. I can't wait to rinse her this summer. This summer is gonna be a pastel summer for me, and I'm super duper excited because now I have his and hers. I have the baby boy, and now I have the baby girl. So here's my baby girl, and for her, the clemency is very soft. I must say, it's really soft, but it's lovely. It's just, the color is just so beautiful. It is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. I don't even think this light is doing it justice, but it is so, so gorgeous. So how I went about getting this back. So obviously I did my wish list, of course, not expecting anything in particular, because obviously I would always give minimum 5 colors, and then from the 5 colors I would say gold or silver hardware, palladium or gold hardware, or I would say I would like to have Epsom, Togo, or Swift leather. I will select my leathers and I will go to select the size. So in this case I said, alright, I will go either Birkin 30 or Birkin 25 in the color pink, red, blue, green, and yellow. And I got the email saying that this baby's here to submit my wish, and I was excited, and I was going through some things. I was like, you know what, this is the best thing that happened to me, so this is a token of reminder of what I'm going through right now, and by all means, and beat all odds. I know it might be crazy, but it's really crazy and surreal that, as I always say, like, most of my bags always come along and there's something to go with it, and it has a meaning to me. Particular is the fact that it is a beautiful shade of pink, and it's a very hard to come by color, so I feel very special. Even my sale associate said to me, I have a really good track record so far. It's like, it's really amazing. So I've put something else on my wish list and hoping that it be fulfilled, and this is, you know, an amazing experience and unboxing for you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys, as per usual, a 360 of the bag. Oh, yes ma'am. Yes, honey. Oh, yes, honey. Yes, I am in love. I've been having a really, really tough time lately, and I was not expecting to get the email or the call at all. So I got the email and I was contemplating, I was thinking, I was like, how do I go about this? And then by all means, you know, have something really special to add to it. I am really, really shocked and in disbelief that I actually have this pink, because I know pinks are really hard to come by. And then on the other hand, it's like, I can't believe I've mentioned it in a couple of videos before. So for me, it was like, kind of like, you know, this is really, really, really crazy. So I emailed back my essay and I said to her, okay, cool, I will be there on the Friday, which was the last day to pick it up. Usually I pick it up the next day, but this time I had to give it a think, give it a thought, you know, think it through. And I was like, you know what, I am going to go through it and I'm going to go get it. I went to get her. I made my way to the city. It was a crazy journey to get there, because apparently, like, it was a lot of traffic because there was strike or whatever going on with the public transportation. Thinking that, okay, maybe I could drive to a certain extent and then get public transportation the rest of the way to make it easier for myself. Worst thing ever. So here am I taking almost 2 to 3 hours to get to somewhere that would usually take me 25 to 30 minutes. So it was a bit of a crazy day, and I was like, you know what, at the end of the day, it is what it is. You're going to Hermes, honey. It's it's giving what it's supposed to give. So this is me sitting all cute on a train. Got to a train. The train stopped a certain area. Then to jump in a cab from there to get to where I need to go. And the traffic is still crazy. And I was like, oh, all of this for Hermes. And I'm like, is it worth it? Hell yeah. I was like, you know what? It's worth it. It's fine. At the end of the day, let's go see this baby. And the joke about it is, when I first read the color, I was like, Merce Sylvestre. I was like, what the hell is that? And I was like, it sounds familiar. It rings a bell. And then it was like, wait, hold on. Wasn't that the post that Purse Bob made a couple of days ago? And I'm like, yeah. She made a post about a girl, the real fashion blogger. She had a post with a mini Kelly, a Constance, and a Birkin, or a Kelly if I'm not mistaken. She had 3/4 bags, 3 pieces in the same color. And they were saying, maybe we should call you the Mauve Sylvestre girl. And I was like, oh, well, hey, honey, I'm part of the Mauve Sylvestre crew. Like, you know what? It's quite cool. Like, it's really, really, really a cool thing. And I was just really laughing because I was like, how is it all of this is going on and I get offered a Mauve Sylvestre? So, after I googled the color, I went on YouTube to see like if there's any unboxings, which I rarely came across much. I came across one particular one where this guy unboxed one for a client, and it was in a Birkin 25, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But it was Cellier, which was amazing, by the way. And I was really, you know, excited about it. So after googling the color and looking up an unboxing on YouTube, I was like, yeah, I definitely think I'm gonna get it. So made my way to Hermes. As like I told you, the journey there was crazy. Got there in the end, and here my baby is with me at home, and I love her too. Can't wait to use it. My summer is gonna be lots of whites and pastels. Mama is doing a pastel summer. I've been wearing a lot of black lately, in which I kind of just end up wearing black, and I'm like, why am I wearing black? Like, what's up with the black everyday black? So I'm really happy to have a nice little pastel color to go with. I need to definitely get her some twillies because she's a light color. Definitely no jeans, definitely no dark jeans or dark colors to, you know, wear with her. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. It's just a beautiful baby, and I'm really happy to it. So for those of you enjoying this unboxing, please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment below what you think about the color, what you think about the style. Would you have gone for this color? Would you not? Again, as I mentioned, like, I love the colors. I have been able to also score some neutrals, and I'm not really fussed about getting the gold on gold and the etupes, and that would be my desires. But you see, when it comes to colors, it's like, let's get it, because I know once I'm over with my colors, I'm definitely gonna go to the neutrals, and once you get neutrals, your collection is complete. So I say never, but I would definitely say just take time and your journey will be there. So with that being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time.
Yep. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.